In a strategic move ahead of the upcoming ADC Village Committee elections, the Teliamura East Division of the IPFT organized a courtyard meeting today at Bhaskarchhara Para 36 Mile. The meeting was held under the Purba Laxmipur ADC Village at the residence of Reshnai Debbarma. During the event, 15 voters from 5 different families detected from various political parties to officially join the IPFT. A significant highlight of the event was the formal induction of new members. Driven by the party's ideology, 15 voters from 5 different families detected from various political parties to join the IPFT. The Teliamura East Division of the Indigenous Peoples Front of Tripura organized a courtyard meeting today at Bhaskarchhara Para under the Purba Laxmipur ADC Village. The gathering saw the presence of several high-ranking party officials, including Reshnai Debbarma, chairman of the Mungiakami Block Advisory Committee and AGS of the Central Committee, Reshnai Debbarma, CAC member of the Central Committee, Reshnai Debbarma and ADC Debbarma, vice president of the Teliamura East Division, and Kishore Kumar Debbarma, chairman of the Teliamura East Division Advisory Committee. Reshnai Debbarma, alongside other senior leaders, officially welcomed the new members by handing them the party flag.
Chini 4 tarik Januari 2026 Chini 2026 ni Chini prothom Chini division aboni pore next hangrani pore next test program khane Chini te program pator thona tongmani bibino jaga kam khai tongma bai sokailia aboni bage Chini jaga o 5 family 15 buta Chini IPFT banarom khabar no blai Chini IPFT পক্ষ থেকে সেন্ট্রাল কমিটি পক্ষ থেকে বরনা হামবাই তেয়া जों খাবাই খয় বরনা जों यासाखैना हारका बसकांगो Chini Tripura लेनि जे सभा ओइ सभानो Chini एनसि सारनि स्वर्गीय एनसि सारनि जे सामुंपायानो जों पाइदानि बागै सारा Tripura जनो लोगोसे Chini IPFT जे Tripura लेनो हामजागै दल दल फाइटंगो जतन सेमल जारा मिडिया खाइनारो मियाबो काञ्चनपुरो रंमा বিভিন্ন দল ইয়াকারে ফাইদঙ্গ আমা হাইকেनो Chini सारा Tripura जो আমা हाइकेनो ताबो IPFT तेसे फिरगै सामुं खाइना बागै फिरग दं 5 family 15 voter.
Reported by Biplov from Khoi, Chini Khorang.